Put your hand on your chest for a second. Can you feel how different your energy is right now compared to when you first wake up? For many women over 65, the morning starts fine. Then slowly that steady rhythm fades. Your arms feel heavier, your steps slow down. Even simple things like walking to the kitchen or folding clothes can feel harder than they used to. But here's the truth. This isn't your body giving up. It's your body asking for the right kind of fuel. There's one simple fruit sitting in most kitchens that can unlock steady, all-day energy without caffeine or sugar crashes. It doesn't give you a quick jolt. It gives you power that lasts. This could be the quiet change that makes every day feel easier and lighter. Fatigue after 65 isn't just feeling tired. It quietly shapes your entire day. It decides whether you take that evening walk or skip it, whether you stay social or stay home, whether you feel strong or slow. A study from the National Institute on Aging found that nearly 7 out of 10 women over 65 face regular dips in energy that limit daily activity. The common response is to reach for coffee, sugar, or quick fixes that lift you fast and drop you even faster. But your energy isn't gone. It's just locked. And the key isn't another stimulant. It's one powerful fruit that gives your body the steady fuel it needs to stay active, sharp, and independent. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to use it to feel stronger, steadier, and more alive every single day. Do your mornings start strong but fade by early afternoon? Do you ever feel like your energy drains faster than it used to, even when you've eaten well and rested? Do simple everyday things like walking, cooking, or standing too long suddenly feel like more effort than they should? Do you find yourself saying, "I used to do this easily," more often than you'd like? If this sounds familiar, you're not alone. This isn't weakness. It's your body signaling that it needs a different kind of support. And the good news is that support can come from something as simple as the right fruit at the right time. Simple science and credibility. Here's what's really happening inside your body. After 60, your mitochondria, the tiny engines that power your cells, naturally slow down. That means the energy you used to get from the same meals doesn't last as long. Caffeine pushes these engines harder, but it doesn't make them stronger. Sugar gives a quick spark, then fizzles out. But certain natural compounds found in specific fruits work with your energy system. They feed your cells slowly, keep your blood sugar stable, improve circulation, and support oxygen flow to your muscles and brain. Harvard and NIH studies show that the right kind of natural fuel can extend steady energy for hours without a crash. That's why this isn't about eating more. It's about eating smarter. Before we dive into the fruit, I want to hear from you. When does your energy dip the hardest? Morning, afternoon, or evening? Type your answer in the comments. You'll see just how many women feel the same way. If this kind of clear, practical health guidance matters to you, tap the like button now. And if you want more simple, science-backed tips made for women over 65, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. This way, you won't miss the next step to feeling stronger and more energetic every day. Key fruit reveal. The fruit that can unlock steady, natural energy for women over 65 is the banana. It's simple, affordable, and easy to digest, but it's often overlooked because people mistake it for just a quick sugar snack. In reality, it's one of the best natural energy foods you can give your body. Bananas contain a powerful trio: potassium, magnesium, and slow-releasing carbohydrates. Potassium helps your muscles and nerves work efficiently. Magnesium supports your circulation and keeps your heart rhythm steady. And the natural carbohydrates give your body a steady stream of fuel without spiking and crashing your blood sugar. This is why elite athletes often rely on bananas for endurance. But for older women, the impact is even more meaningful. It's not just about workouts. It's about walking longer, staying alert, and moving through the day without that heavy dip in energy. Just one banana at the right time can give your body stable energy that lasts hours, not minutes. No caffeine, no crash. Just clean power your cells can actually use. How it works inside the body. When you eat a banana, something powerful happens inside your body. The natural sugars in the banana are paired with fiber, so they release slowly into your bloodstream. This gives your cells a steady flow of energy instead of a surge that fades fast. Your blood sugar stays stable and your energy curve smooths out. The potassium supports your muscles and nerves, which is crucial after 65, when circulation and muscle strength naturally slow down. It keeps your heartbeat steady, supports your blood vessels, and improves the delivery of oxygen to your brain and muscles. Magnesium steps in quietly, helping your body convert food into energy more efficiently. It also calms your nervous system, which reduces the kind of stress that can drain your energy even faster. Together, these effects create a slow, steady lift that can last 2 to 3 hours. You don't get that shaky, artificial burst like from coffee or sugar. You just feel more awake, more capable, and more stable. Energy versus stimulants. Here's why this matters so much. Most people over 65 reach for sugar or caffeine when energy drops. That quick boost feels good at first, but it's only borrowed energy. And borrowed energy always comes with a price. Caffeine pushes your nervous system into overdrive. It speeds up your heart rate and tricks your brain into feeling alert. But once it wears off, you feel even more tired than before. Sugar works the same way. It gives you a surge, then a sudden crash that can make your body feel heavier and slower. Bananas don't push, they feed. Instead of spiking your system, they keep energy steady. You don't get that restless feeling caffeine brings. You don't get the brain fog sugar leaves behind. Think of it this way. Sugar and caffeine light a match. Banana fuels a steady flame. That steady flame is what lets you walk longer, stay focused, and get through the day without running out of strength halfway through. How to add it to your day. The real power of this fruit isn't just in what it gives you, but when and how you eat it. If your energy tends to dip in the morning, add a banana about 30 minutes after breakfast. This keeps your blood sugar stable and gives your cells fuel to stay active through the first half of the day. If your slump hits in the afternoon, the best time is between 2 and 3 p.m. That's when most people feel their energy drop, and a steady fuel source at this point can carry you comfortably through the rest of the day. If you do gentle movement, exercise, or even a daily walk, try eating a banana about 30 minutes before. It gives your muscles the perfect fuel to work efficiently and reduces that drained feeling afterward. Also, pay attention to how ripe your banana is. A less ripe banana gives slower, more stable energy. A ripe banana digests faster and works well when you need a quicker lift. And most importantly, keep it consistent. Eating it at the same time each day helps your body create a steady rhythm that supports your energy naturally. Risk frame. This is where the choice becomes clear. If your body isn't getting steady, natural energy, something else will fill that gap. For many women over 65, that gap gets filled with quick fixes. Another cup of coffee, more sugar,
Processed snacks. These give short bursts, but take more than they give. Over time, they don't just make you tired, they slowly chip away at your strength, balance, and confidence. When your energy runs low, it's not just about how you feel in the moment. Low energy affects how much you move, how well your muscles stay strong, how steady your heart works, and how sharp your mind stays. It's a ripple effect that touches every part of your health. The good news is, small daily choices create the opposite ripple. One banana at the right time supports your muscles, circulation, and brain. That one steady lift each day compounds over time. The difference between feeling sluggish or strong at 70 doesn't start with a big overhaul. It starts with one smart habit. Energy fruit allies. While bananas are the foundation, they're not the only fruit that can keep your energy steady. A few other natural allies can give your body the same kind of lasting power without relying on stimulants. First, apples. The fiber in apples slows down sugar release, which means energy stays stable longer. They also hydrate your body and support digestion, which makes a difference when your energy dips midday. Second, oranges. They give a gentle boost of natural sugars paired with vitamin C, which improves circulation and oxygen flow. That's why many women feel more alert and refreshed after just one. Third, berries, like blueberries and strawberries. They don't give a sudden burst. They provide a clean, slow burn of energy while protecting your cells from oxidative stress. And if you want something before movement or daily walks, a date or two with nut butter can give both quick and stable fuel without a crash. You don't need to overhaul your entire diet. Just rotate these fruits through your week. They all work with your body's natural energy rhythm, not against it. Safety notes and interactions. Even natural foods can have different effects depending on your health, which is why a few safety notes matter. If you're managing blood sugar levels, choose bananas that are slightly less ripe. They digest more slowly and keep sugar levels steadier. Pairing the banana with protein, like a small handful of nuts, can also help prevent spikes. If you take blood pressure medication or diuretics, talk with your doctor about potassium. Bananas are rich in it, and while that's usually a good thing, combining too much potassium with certain medications may need careful balance. For those with kidney concerns, it's best to check with your healthcare provider before increasing potassium-rich foods. And one more thing, keep portions simple. One medium banana or one serving of fruit is enough to support energy. Eating too much at once won't give you more stamina. It can backfire and make you feel sluggish. Small, steady, and smart beats large and rushed every single time. Always personalize your choices to your body's needs and medical guidance. Personalization tips. Every woman's energy rhythm is a little different, which is why personalizing how and when you eat your fruit makes the biggest difference. If your energy dips early in the day, start your banana habit mid-morning. That steady lift will carry you through lunch without that heavy, dragging feeling. If you struggle in the late afternoon, use your banana around 2 or 3 p.m. This simple timing shift can completely change how you feel in the second half of your day. If you prefer movement or daily walks, make it part of your pre-activity routine. Half a banana or a whole one 30 minutes before you move can improve endurance and help your muscles recover faster. If you're more sensitive to sugar, pair your fruit with protein or fiber. A few almonds, a spoon of yogurt, or even a slice of whole grain toast slows down how your body uses the energy. This isn't about strict rules, it's about learning your pattern. Once you match the fruit to your personal rhythm, you stop fighting your energy dips and start working with them. 7-day energy fruit plan. To make this simple and consistent, here's a 7-day energy fruit plan designed especially for women over 65. This is not a strict diet. It's a light structure that fits into your real life. Day 1 to 3. Start with 1 medium banana mid-morning, about 30 to 45 minutes after breakfast. Pair it with water or tea to stay hydrated. Day 4. Add a small handful of berries with your banana. This gives your body antioxidants and extends your energy window even longer. Day 5. If you walk or do light movement, have the banana 30 minutes before. Notice how your energy feels after. Day 6. Swap the banana for an apple or orange. This keeps your body responsive and prevents getting stuck in one routine. Day 7. Combine half a banana with a few almonds or a spoon of yogurt. This gives an even slower, steadier release that can carry you through the afternoon. You don't need to do everything perfectly. The key is to repeat the habit consistently. By week 2, your energy rhythm will feel smoother, your afternoons lighter, and your steps steadier. 1-minute energy action checklist. Before you finish watching, here's your quick 1-minute energy checklist to make this simple and doable. Pick your best time of day to add your banana or energy fruit. Eat 1 serving, not more, to keep energy steady and balanced. Pair it with a little protein or fiber if you need longer energy. Choose less ripe bananas for slower sugar release. Stay hydrated because water helps your body use energy efficiently. Keep it consistent for 7 days before judging the results. Small habits like this may seem simple, but they build real change over time. Your energy doesn't have to fade with age. You can take control of it. Low energy isn't a life sentence. Feeling tired every afternoon isn't a sign of weakness. It's a sign your body needs better fuel. The beauty of this stage of life is that your body still listens. It still responds. It just needs the right input. One small change, like adding a banana at the right time, can remind you what strength actually feels like again. You don't need to give up the activities you love. You don't need to accept tiredness as normal. Energy is something you can rebuild gently and steadily at any age, and it starts with one simple daily habit. If your energy has been fading faster than you want, this is your sign to start small and start today. Pick the time of day when your energy usually drops. Add just 1 banana or 1 energy fruit and see how your body responds over the next 7 days. Tell me in the comments when your energy dip happens, morning, afternoon, or evening. Your story might help another woman watching right now. If this video gave you something clear and useful, tap the like button. And if you want more practical health tips made for women over 65, hit subscribe and turn on the bell. We're building a community of women who are choosing strength over slowdown. Your voice here matters. You're not just watching. You're part of this change. Your energy isn't gone. It's waiting for the right support. Something as small as 1 banana at the right time can change how you feel hour by hour, day by day. You deserve mornings that don't fade too fast. You deserve afternoons that feel light. You deserve to move through your day with strength, not struggle. This isn't about big, complicated routines. It's about one clear, simple step that reminds your body what steady energy feels like. Start today. Give your body what it's been asking for, and feel that quiet power come back.